Trying to grow a small account can be incredible, discouraging when nothing seems to work. If you have already tried countless strategies with no real progress, these videos might be the turning point. I'm sharing the exact method that finally made the difference for me, and it could do the same for you. Let's go with that. Stick around until the end. There's something amazing waiting for you that you won't want to miss it, alright? So go to the video, guys. We're gonna use Heiken Ashi candle again, 15 seconds on time frame. Okay? And we're gonna use two indicators, fractal Charles bands and moving average. Alright? Fractal Charles bands, 3 on period, guys, and that's color. Choose the best for you. Moving average 5. Don't forget to change that to simple movement average. Okay? The style is the same. Alright? So we are good to follow that. 1 minute on expiration time. Remember this. And we're gonna start with $46. So all set up, let's go. Okay guys, so we got a good return right here. That's an uptrend, as you can see right here. All right, that's pretty good. And as for this moment, this is a very good situation that we have right here. First, I look at the Heiken Ashi candle. You can see the row, the only green candles. They should be strong in uptrend or in downtrend, and you got an uptrend right here. And there are, in this particular situation, that's so good. And I always observe the green line about the fractal Charles band, which should cross the yellow line of the moving average. As you can see on the platform, it's crossed the yellow line and moving average. As I said, that's a good situation for us. All right, and I think I'm going to win this trade so convincingly, and then that's good. The line is above the entry point. Look at that. 1 second, and look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, $87 in my account. This is just one strategy among the men that control the elevator game in this market. If you're aiming to operate like pro, mastering high return metal, this is the key. But no stress. I've put together 2 exclusive results to support your growth. You stick around to the end of the video, guys, to access them. Let's go. Okay, look at this. This is like on the previous one. I would just say that it's in this bit late to open. Alright. Open position here. But as the candle are quite right. But I like the fractal Charles band as the moving average signal. So that's I would decide to continue the trend here for a strong signal and to increase the probability of this method. Alright, just got almost 5 candles in a row. Almost the previous one. That is kind of a bit late. And we should enter the trade as soon as the yellow line of the moving average crosses the line about the fractal Charles band. Because there's high chance that we'll continue in the same direction. Okay, so when it got across the line, you can make the operation. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright? And this starts. So let's wait for this, guys. We just got 84, 126 in my account right now. That's pretty good. Alright? Look at that, just start to go down again. But that's alright. Let's continue, guys. Let's do the next one. Alright, look at this. We just got a very good moment. That's a downtrend, as I said, okay? As we're talking about the previous trade, red line below the fractal Charles band has nearly crossed the yellow line, alright? Of the moving average in the downward direction. That means the both indicators are giving a bearish signal. And that's good, All right, it's always worth consideration the fact that a definitely liquid currency pair that has a strong downtrend. Okay, because at the moment, the open position is more effective. So it's necessary, guys, to pay attention when you got the cross line of that. Don't lose these opportunities. As observed from different moments, and it's kind of good situation. For example, what I can't decline is there now in the cruise pair. This happening right here. Let's see what's happening in this particular. And look at this. We just got this $115, 181. Guys, we can just enjoy this one and continue for that one. All right. As I already told you, this is the best moment for these metals. And we can do this again. Let's go. All right. Just continue trading here again because the indicator have crossed with each other again. Look at that, man. We just got this moment, the perfect moment to show you. And I think the red candle will continue to move further down. Let's wait for that. And also taking into account the fact that there's clearly strong downward. All right, look at this. Oh my goodness, that's pretty good. All right, what appears from the red line below the fractal charts, guys. Look at this. And of course, such facts help me a lot when I make decision. When I just take a look on this and just get the crossing line, and when have a good red candles or green candles in a row as a sequence, as you can see right here, right? And look at this, guys, 4 seconds. Oh my goodness, let's go.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Woo! That's what almost hurt the stock, man. Oh my goodness, that's pretty good. Oh my goodness, $236 in my account, guys. That's so close. Guys, I will finish my trade today with just good profits. As you can see, it was not late some moments, but that's pretty good, right? Guys, don't forget that take a risk, all right? It's possible to lose the entire amount if you don't have good risk management properly on that, right? I'll remember my videos, the education on the natural. So actually right now, guys, right, let's go with that. I want to see everyone in the next live session, in the next video. Just actually right now, wish you good profit, good operations. Have a good one, guys. Bye bye. See you.